Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Friday 28 March 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 13, number 26, number 37, number 28, booster number 42. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. First number 3, number 22, number 15, number 33, number 44, and booster number 18. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now.